Hey, it's Perry here from Future of Cleaning, and I am about to show you how G-Force works, why this is the most amazing tool in the market. And it's designed for cleaning from anything up high down to the ground without changing your posture. Normally with a brush you've got to go sideways and crouch down, but not with G-Force. You see, because G stands for gyro. Gyro means you can spin it on the glass like this, and it also means you can go from the top of the glass to the bottom of the glass exactly like this without changing your posture. So it's ergonomically safer and demonstrably faster. This one's actually the non-scratch pad, but we also have the Hulk, which is the green scrub, which is for bee poo and things like that. And we have the carborundum, which is a cutting pad. So that'll actually take things off glass that nothing else will. This is way sharper than walnut scrubs, which are fast. G-Force is designed as a pole tool, but as you can see, you can easily convert it to a hand tool when that's more convenient for you, and then back to a pole tool again for your better ergonomics. And so that is G-Force. Get yours at futureofcleaning.com. That's the only place to get it. It's amazing.